First, let's install WhatsApp Desktop. Click on the Start menu and open the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and press Enter. From the search results, click on WhatsApp, then click the Get button to start the installation. Wait a few moments while the app installs on your PC. Once the installation is complete, you can open WhatsApp in two ways. You can click Open directly from the Microsoft Store, or search for WhatsApp in the Start menu and open it from there. When the app opens, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Now, let's connect WhatsApp Desktop to your phone. Open WhatsApp on your mobile phone. On Android, tap the three dots in the top corner. On iPhone, tap Settings at the bottom. Next, select Link Devices and tap Link a device. Now, scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. Within seconds, all your WhatsApp chats will appear on your computer. You're now ready to use WhatsApp Desktop. From here, you can click on any chat to send messages, use the plus icon to share files, photos, or documents, click the mic icon to send voice messages, make voice or video calls directly from your PC. All your messages will automatically sync with your phone. If you ever want to log out, simply open Settings and click Log Out. You can also remove the device from the Link Devices section on your phone. And that's it. This is how you can install and use WhatsApp Desktop on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.